Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with halachot of halakat nerot. Maram brings down in Siman Samech Gimel Sivav that bachurim that they go outside of their houses to learn Torah, so they have to actually come and light the candles in their rooms and to make a bracha. Nowadays, obviously, many times what happens is in a yeshiva is that one person has in mind everybody and they actually light the candles, but they will light candles whether it's going to be in the lunchroom or anywhere else because they are obligated. However, though, if a person's with his wife, so for obviously he doesn't have to do it in his own room because his wife does it for him. Now, what happens if a man wants to light, but in other rooms, in order to participate for the mitzvah? Or, for example, you've got the children, right? Sometimes you have girls, that they're older girls or older boys, that they want to light the candles. So here it's actually brought down that if they want, they're allowed to light without a bracha in other rooms of the house. Why? Because only in the main part of the room, which is going to be where they're going to eat, that's when it's going to be the wife is lighting, and that's where she makes a bracha. But in your own private rooms or anywhere else, obviously you're allowed to come and you're allowed to light the candles, but you're not allowed to make a bracha. However, though, there is a minhag of some Ashkenazim that they will come and light in their own rooms with a bracha. They're talking about the Ashkenaziot, that, for example, the girls will also light the candles. So in such a case, you do not have to rebuke them. They do have what to rely on, and they could continue doing their minhag, that they would actually light with a bracha in their rooms. But for Sfaradim, obviously what happens is that the woman is the ikar of the bait, and therefore she's going to make the bracha in the dining room where they're going to eat. And anybody who wants to do other lights, Lichvot Shabbat, they're allowed to do it in their rooms without any problem. Nowadays we don't do these things, because nowadays many times we'll just light the electricity, right? You have the different lights in the house that you light in other rooms, because remember, the concept of Shalom Bait was not only just to have light in the salon, in the actual, in the place where you're going to eat, but it's also in all the other places. Imagine right now you're going to, whether it's the washroom or any other place, or hallways, and you're banging into things. Again, you have the concept of Shalom Bait. So if we're there also, is an obligation to light the candles. But again, if the woman could do it or the man could do it, we're talking about electricity without any problem. But if a person wants to light real candles, they're allowed to do it without a bracha in the other rooms.